So it is January 15th, all news in 1 minute. Let's pay attention to the smallest range chart, 8 range. And this is our trade from 92.19 from January 19th, still on. My trail is incredibly close. I'm projecting that oil will make it to 93. But I also know the danger of acquiring a position. What are you seeing? You are seeing how volatile and sharp the news is. What is the news? Let's take a look what just came out on oil. News is out. Oh my lord, we don't have enough oil. We have 7 times less oil than we're expecting. What does this mean? It means incredibly bullish news. The trade from yesterday is still on. Is that clear? If you know what price is telling you, you are staying in a trade. Price was very specific. It had plenty of space to the upside. But what do we know? We know how volatile and unpredictable oil is, correct? Due to lack of liquidity. Acquiring position right before the news or right after the news is incredibly dangerous. So, the end of the minor trend on 21 range is very close. Adjusting my trail. Is this clear? What has happened with the price when it came very close to the end of the minor trend? What are you witnessing? How much more predictable can the price be? There we go. Sellers are here. Our guiding light, the bullish trend that started since Monday. Prices are also at reversal zone. What are we expecting? We're expecting at least bearish correction. What are we hoping for? Powerful bearish correction. This is my guiding light, and this is the charts I trade. Range charts. Completely expected. Selling pressure at the end of minor trend. What are you witnessing? You're witnessing not a spectacular rally, is it? Not yet. Despite 7 times as much shortage of supply on oil than predicted, -1 versus -7.7. Incredibly bullish news, but for now oil is taking a pause. For all the reasons we discussed, because reversal zone had been reached. Our daily chart staged the most powerful rally we had seen since the month of October, because reversal zone had been reached. But what is the price hanging to? For dear life, because it came to the next level. So let's see how powerful the pullback will be, as we completely expected this. That's all there is. Why are we seeing selling pressure despite incredibly powerful news release, incredibly bullish news release? Because the reversal zone on guiding lights had been reached. We'll love to see this pullback. That's what we've been waiting for. 3 minutes after the news, 4 minutes after the news. I'll start paying attention to oil 5 minutes after the news. Is that clear? So don't be surprised if this reversal will be quite powerful. 1 more minute and I will start respecting what oil is telling me. So far, oil reversed 20 ticks, 23. We are still in the trade on 21 range, 160 plus ticks later. 1 more minute, I'll start respecting what oil is telling me. Why, Martin? My trail was not reached. I'm trailing, I'm protecting my profits. It's incredibly bullish news. Why would I close it? I don't see any reason to close my long. It's incredibly bullish news. The sellers are not serious yet. The sellers are only in correction structure. No reason to close this trade whatsoever. I'm adjusting my trail close on 93.53. The power and buyers are still here. It's only bearish corrections. We haven't seen any bearish reversals. None whatsoever. You're seeing the end of the minor trend on 21 range. Finally reached as projected since the market opened at 9:30 EST. So here we go. This trade from 92.19 is currently finding difficulty at 93.93. As expected. Know what not to enter into. Know when to take profits off the table. Is this clear? Nothing speculative, nothing subjective. Precise, simple, and clear. That's the key to trading. So there we go. The price is struggling and dancing as we expected to the tick. Here's 8 range and here's our trade on 21 because the end of the minor trend is reached. So we're waiting and keeping our fingers crossed for powerful selling pressure. That's what we would like to see before we will ever buy. Buying at these levels is simply a silly thing to do. You're buying at the brick wall, which no knowledgeable trader should do. Take a look at what's happening on S&P. Sellers are here. Love what I see because reversal zone had been reached. So buckle up. May have a trade on S&P as well. So here we are half an hour later. Despite spectacular bullish news, oil is sitting very pretty, struggling to blast through this level. Based on alpha wave trader method, price had reached very critical levels, and that's exactly why no spectacular rally is taking place. This rally started since Monday. This is the end of the minor trend on our trade from 92.19, and this is where price is currently on guiding light 1 hour. The good thing will happen here, powerful pullback. The bad thing will happen here, price will dance and struggle, not giving us powerful point of entry because we know better not to acquire trade at the brick wall, which is Fibonacci levels that defines this very powerful reversal area. So there we go. Oil is currently at what, 205 ticks, the entry from yesterday. The trail 94.02. We got the very inception of the trend. The bullish trend started actually since Monday. So here's 220 tick trade is taking a major pause. That's what we've been waiting for, and that's what we're witnessing. Oil currently its ultimate destination, reversal zone 3. Again, powerful buying points on oil were on Monday here. Acquiring trend position here is not a prudent thing to do unless we're gonna get a powerful reversal. We start seeing the signs as expected. So here we are, long from 92.19 is very tired. My trail is close. Monitoring S&P as well. As S&P reached reversal zone 1. Key remains acquiring position at the inception of the trend, wave 1, and continuation of the trend, wave 3. Now we're monitoring to see if this is the inception of the trend or is this only a correction. Very powerful and very critical. 2 rules are essential before I would ever take a trade. Conservative trade, 4 rules. Aggressive, 2. Okie dokie, expect to be out of this trade on oil, this adorable 220 tick on oil at any moment. As expected, oil starts showing selling pressure because reversal zone had been reached. I'm monitoring for short on oil on multiple time frames. Out of oil, out of oil. long from 92.19 had reached 94.47. We're out of the trade. I protected my profits because reversal zone had been reached. So monumental phenomenal bullish trend that set up from reversal zone on oil is not taking a pause. The trend occurred the inception Monday and Tuesday. Therefore, we closed our long at 220 ticks. Oil did not give us opportunities to buy at any other time frame due to weakness of retracements. But key to remember, rules remain rules. If you know how to buy and where to buy, you always remembering those critical 4 rules. Long term, that's the key to trading success. This bullish rally is the most magnificent rally we had seen on oil since October. It is not to be taken for granted. It is to be respected highly. All the levels drawn here first week in December, and that's exactly where price had reversed from. So thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Adios, everybody. Remember, unless technicals coincide with fundamentals, nothing is possible. Inception of wave 1, inception of the trend, and inception of wave 3 remains the key. Adios, everyone. See you tomorrow.